Going guys, it's going off grid. We're just testing out these Bosch RV solar panels and the power it. It's morning. Got the generator running because where the trailer's parked, because the sun's so low that they almost never see sun. And we're gonna count on this to charge this battery up. I brought this up, it was completely dead. I thought it was full, so that was my bad. But we're gonna do some work here. We're not rebuilding this yet. We're gonna rebuild that real soon. Make it nice. Look at this. Beautiful. Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated on what we're up to. Going guys, it's going off grid. Haven't made a video in a while just because I'm so busy. Well, I found some tower material for a wind turbine. Hopefully we'll get that up soon. We got the Black Max generator running my little compressor. You gotta add 40 hours or so to this meter. It's been running great. The solar system on the work trailer has been working great. It's been running my batteries and stuff, but it's too cloudy to be running the compressor here at my grandparents' cottage. And just got finished building this cabin, and yeah, we're almost done. Just got the rake walls on the sides on both ends to do, and yeah, it's all built on bedrock, and that's it. How's it going guys? It's going off grid, and it's a winter wonderland here. It was minus 17 or 18 this morning. They're very cold. Cleaning off the panels. This array is working great, and same with the array on top of the shed, or not the shed, the garage is working good. My other array's down and there's no power, so I gotta figure that out and see what's going on. Well, I've figured out that this breaker here are my panels on the lean-to in the middle of the driveway, or on the side of the driveway. They are not producing any power. This was for the wind turbine, but I'm not using that right now. Gotta move it. But yeah, that means I've lost. That is 1,500 watts of solar. How long that's been like that, I don't know. Now let's go see what's going on. Well, it seems I found my problem. You got a burnt up wire. Looks like an MC4 connector failed. Holy smokes. It's crazy. Maybe it wasn't tied up good enough and wiggling in the wind. Or maybe it was just these cheap MC4 connectors I'm using. Anyways, I'm going to replace that, and yeah, it even singed the wood above. Nothing looks burnt, but it looks definitely singed. Anyways, I'll give you guys an update when I got her fixed. Well, looks like we're back in business. We're back hooked up. Look, I even found a little nest here. I got it all hooked back up. I had to extend the wire with that green wire there. It's extremely high quality nickel coated copper wire, and hopefully we don't have this problem again. I bought better quality MC4 connectors, a lot better brand. So these other ones are just a no-name brand. That's what I bought at the time, but now I bought a little bit better brand, so hopefully we don't have another one of these problems. Anyways, let's go inside and see if it's working. Alright, this is how much I'm making the one charge controller. This is how much we're making on the other. Now I'm going to flip the switch and let's see if she works. There we go. A little bit more power. It's not much, but looks like the array is working again. And yeah, awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.